Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the Lackadaisical Egg White. I always thought that was like lackadaisical. I thought there was an S in there, but then, I used the old spell check, and yeah, there you go. It's not the case. Lackadaisical. There you go. That's the best way you pronounce it. So there you go. Reading and math all in one lesson. You're welcome. So there we go. Let's go ahead and factor completely. Friends, anytime they say factor completely, they're probably giving you a clue that there's a GCF in there. So anytime you get a chance to simplify before you factor, go for it. That's basically what waxing out a GCF is. So we're going to take out something that they all have in common. So this 2x cubed, 16x squared, 30x, they all have an x in common. Fast forward to the answer. I think I say, hey, make sure you put the GCF in the front. Okay, so there's going to be an x in our GCF. Remember, your final answer always has to include the GCF because you have to tell people what you did. I took this out of this group. 2, 16, 30, they all have a 2 in common. That's the most I can take out without making a mess. Okay, I can take a 2x out of there, and then I won't make a mess. If I try to take any more, I'm going to get some decimals, I'm going to get some fractions, and that's not what I want at all. Okay, once you've figured out what to take out, then just go ahead and take it out. Goodbye. X squared, 16 divided by 2 is an 8. And then x squared divided by x is an x. Those x values cancel, 15. Oh, Mr. K, you're such a cheater. You already did this example. Yes, you are right. I did this one already. So again, what numbers add to 8? And then what numbers multiply to 15? A 3 and a 5. So those magic numbers are going to go into my binomials. X plus 3. X plus 5. Again, 3 and 5 are the magic numbers. They multiply to 15, they add to 8, and they get inserted into your binomials. So, students, if I were to multiply these, I'd probably do a polybox. Then I'd take everything times 2x. All of that would turn right back into the original, I call them a heavy trinomial. Anytime there's a number here, if there's a number in front of the first variable, I call it a heavy trinomial. There's just way more in there than should be, so it's heavy. So you got to take that GCF out. But anyway, that's about it. So, excuse me, I got a yawn. Take out the GCF. Make sure you put it in the first blank, and then factor those with your number trick. So you're trying to find the 2 magic numbers. Adds in the middle, multiplies to that. Put the smaller one first, and then you win. That is the Lackadaisical Egg White.